Welcome World Case Study, a big military exercise amid China tension. India and USA hold joint military drill in Indian Ocean. Indian warship along with Air Force and Navy fighters jets. Part of exercise. Indian ships Kochi and TAG and USS Ronald Reagan, Halsey, and Silo participating. A Black Panther MiG 29K was seen taking off to participate in the exercise. Indian Air Force Su-30 MK, Jaguars, and IS-78 jet, part of joint drill. Indian Navy LRMP P-81 and Dornier MR aircraft also participating. Two-day drill exercise during USS Reagan passes through Indian Navy Ocean. Drill involves advanced air defense crooks, deck choppers exercise, anti-submarine exercise. Also part of drill to hone war fighting skills. But China intention because this exercise will be used in future a big war. India USA part of coordination makes against China because China dominates in South China Sea. So this military exercise message to China, don't mistake in South China Sea. Thank you.